James Yatley with Boujie Eats. Today we are going to make a German cucumber dill salad. I just made it last night with some nice homemade schnitzel and some homemade spätzle. Spatzel, as we call it here in the United States. I don't know what that's all about. Anyways, here we go. Let's get to cooking. Ingredients: we have sugar, white wine vinegar, sour cream, salt and pepper, cucumber, and dill. First thing we're going to do is we're going to peel our cucumber. Next, we're going to mandolin slice our cucumber. So our cucumber sliced, we've got our sour cream in the bowl. We're going to go ahead and throw in a half a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste. Now we're going to add our cucumber into the bowl, mix everything together. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to take your dill, and you're just going to go ahead and start chopping it up into nice small pieces. Everybody like. Last step is to add your dill in. So we'll go ahead and add our dill in. Give it a good one last final mix. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this with plastic, put it in the fridge about a half an hour. It'll be perfect. German cucumber dill salad. Boujie Eats. Enjoy.